Hey everyone, today I'll walk you through how to check out a YouTube Shorts bio. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device or visit youtube.com in your browser. Next, tap on Shorts at the bottom left corner of the screen. When you come across a Shorts video you're interested in and want to learn more about, here's what you need to do. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the video. From the menu that appears, select Description. This will show you the video's bio or description, where you might see details like the video title, a brief description, and any hashtags used. You'll also see other information, such as the number of likes, views, and the posting date. Leave a comment below if there are other YouTube tips you'd like to learn. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. If you found this tip helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button below to support my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.